I'm Joanne, that's Adam behind the camera, and we are the couple from InspiredTaste.net. We are making our spicy edamame today. It has lots of fresh garlic, lots of fresh ginger, some chili added in there, toasted sesame oil. They are fun to make, fun to eat. Let's go do it. We need lots of ginger and garlic, so let's prep them first. We need 1 tablespoon of each. I've got a pound of edamame in their shells and cook them in salted boiling water until they turn bright green, 3 to 5 minutes. While they cook, heat 1 tablespoon of oil over medium heat and then stir in the garlic and ginger. Cook for 30 seconds to a minute. We don't want them to brown. Turn off the heat, then stir in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 3 teaspoons of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and to make it spicy, some chili paste or sriracha. Finally, we toss the edamame with the sauce and enjoy. So simple and seriously tasty. Enjoy and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.